Here at New South Wales Health Pathology, we connect people to the answers that matter to their lives every day. And in fact, our response to COVID has really thrust us into the spotlight. And it's on that background that we also really need to create a new digital platform. We really want the people who rely on our services, who need and deserve our services, to be able to find them better.
Our current website no longer aligns with our strategic plan, our operational goals, our refreshed brand, and our guiding principles of caring, connecting, and pioneering.
What it doesn't do is help bring us out from behind the laboratory doors in the way that we've seen ourselves be able to do through our response to COVID-19. We want to be able to demonstrate who we are as an organisation.
This time around, our website will be created a little differently, with people at the centre.
We've been brought in to work with you to completely redesign this website from the ground up.
We're designing the new website not around what you and we think users need, but what they actually need. Our first step is to hear from you. We invite you to inform us on how the website can better serve your needs and the needs of the community.
To create a better digital experience for our staff, customers, and community, we need your input.
Really, what we want you to do is jump online and take our quick survey.
The design process for the new website starts here, with the survey we're conducting with you and a similar survey that we'll be conducting externally. We'll also be running focus groups and workshops to really understand what it is that you need from the website and how we can best meet that in the alternate design.
This is the first step, and your input is invaluable to us. Following this, we'll also be conducting interviews, workshops, and prototyping sessions to test with real users all the way along and to continue to get input from all of you so that we can best meet the needs of users of this new website.
Help us shape what's going to be our new digital space. It's about us reconnecting or connecting at a deeper level with the people who rely on our services.